Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys in my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Google phone setting guys, and in this video guys I am going to show you guys how to use dial pad tone on Google phone. Friends, you want to use dial pad tone on your Google phones, okay, how to use it. Today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So what is dial pad tone, how to on and use on Google mobile, means guys Google phone. Friend, first of all we will on dial pad tone. So how to on guys, open your phone setting and guys scroll it. Friends, click on guys your Google phone sound and vibration setting. Sound vibration guys, we will tap here. After on sound vibration friends, you can increase guys your phone volumes from here: call volume, alarm, notification, ringtone, and media volume. Friends, you can set ringtone. You want a notification ringtone, so you can set a notification ringtone. So friends, you can see dial pad tone. So friends, you want to on dial pad tone. So friends, you can on from here. After on guys, how to use dial pad. Friends, open your dial pad guys here. And let's keypad option guys, we will tap here guys. So friends, when you will enter number, friends, you can see. So friends, we can use the dial pad tool. So if we call the dial pad tool, so after when you will enter number on your dial pad, so then you can use get this dial pad sound on your Google phone. And friends, you don't want to use, you want to off it. So friends, click on guys your phone setting. After click on phone setting, friends, scroll it again, click on sound and vibration. Friends, click on dial pad tone sound, we will tap here. Guys, come on your dial pad page, so guys tap here. Friends, when you will enter number, so friends, you can see this sound will not work on your Google phone, so you cannot use guys your dial pad tone. So like that guys, we can on and use dial pad. You don't want to use, so when you can off it. So friends, one more option guys, direct click on search bar option guys, search here guys dial pad. As you can see dial pad tone direct, friends, you can on and you can use. You don't want to use guys, tap here, your dial pad tone will off. So like that guys, we can on and use dial pad sound on Google phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.